So this is in the vegetable section. Salata iceberg, 1.29. Things cheaper, €1.29. The other one, 1.19 guys, so big. Okay. And this is the different types also. So I will check the. This is the banana. So let's see. This is the spinach, guys. Spinach. So how much this spinach? I don't know. This is the broccoli, guys. Broccoli. So 12%, 1.04 per gram. So let's see how much. Let's see how much it will cost. This one. So this is the bell pepper, the string beans. I don't like how much this one. Still fresh, the eggplant, guys. This is the zucchini. So there's an onion, 1.69 guys. And the tomato. The tomato is more than. It's the cherry tomato, 2.49 guys. So other side, there's tacha pomade, 1.79. Part of lettuce, the cabbage, 0.79. This is the different kinds of lettuce, 0.99. So what's the code for this? You need the code. What I will put code. Let's see, guys. So, I don't know if how they. My spinach done. This is the way we are putting the amount. Like this, you fry the broccoli. You have to check the. No. Check mo how many kilos. Because per kilo that one eh. Yeah. And here the pumpkin for 1.29. This the ginger, cucumber, 4.99. Sweet potato, guys.